In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock photos in Google Photos. If you want to keep certain pictures more private, Google Photos has a built-in feature called locked folder that makes this really simple. When you move a photo into locked folder, it's hidden from your main photo grid, your memories, and even your search results inside Google Photos. The only way to open it is by using your device's screen lock, like your PIN, password, or fingerprint. So if you have personal images you don't want showing up with the rest of your library, this is the feature you'll want to use. To get started, open Google Photos and find the photo you want to lock. This works for individual photos you'd like to keep separate from the rest of your collection. Once you've opened the image, look for the three-dot menu, usually located near the top of the screen. Tap that menu to bring up more options for the photo. From that menu, select Move to Locked Folder. Google Photos may show a short explanation the first time you use this feature, just so you understand what happens when an item is moved. In most cases, the photo will no longer appear in places like your main gallery view or photo memories, which helps keep it out of sight during normal browsing. Go ahead and confirm the action if prompted. After that, the image is now in locked folder. That means it has been separated from your regular photo view and is protected behind your device's screen lock. This gives you an extra layer of privacy without needing a separate app. One helpful thing to remember is that locked folder is meant for privacy, not just organization. So if you move something there, don't expect to see it in your usual timeline or when searching your library. That's normal behavior. Also, because access depends on your device security, make sure your phone's screen lock is set up and working properly before relying on this feature. And that's all it takes to lock photos in Google Photos. It's a quick and effective way to protect sensitive images while keeping them stored right inside the app you already use. If you're following along, just open the photo, tap the three dots, and choose Move to Locked Folder. Once that's done, your photo is secured and hidden from the main view.